Seed collection. Look for mature cow wheat plants in their natural habitat or a local garden where they are growing. Once the plant has gone to seed, harvest the seeds. Cow wheat seeds are small and will be enclosed in capsules. Seed preparation. Once you have collected the seeds, remove the capsules and separate the seeds. You can do this by gently crushing the capsules and separating the seeds from the chaff. Soil preparation. Choose a well-draining soil with a neutral to slightly acidic pH. Remove any weeds or debris from the planting area. Loosen the soil to a depth of about 4 to 6 inches and remove any large clumps. Sowing the seeds. Scatter the cow wheat seeds evenly over the prepared soil. You can either broadcast them by hand or use a seed spreader for more even distribution. Since the seeds are small, you can mix them with a small amount of sand or vermiculite to make it easier to spread them evenly. Light and moisture. Cow wheat prefers partial shade to full sun. After sowing the seeds, lightly rake the soil to cover them with a thin layer of soil, about 1/8 inch deep. Water the area gently to keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid overwatering, as excessive moisture can lead to rotting. Germination and growth. Cow wheat seeds generally germinate within 2 to 3 weeks, although it can take longer. Once the seedlings emerge, thin them out to provide enough space for each plant to grow. Aim for a spacing of about 8 to 12 inches between plants. Maintenance. Water the plants regularly, especially during dry periods, to ensure they receive adequate moisture. However, avoid overwatering, as cow wheat prefers slightly drier conditions. Remove any weeds that may compete with the plants for nutrients and space. Harvesting. Cow wheat will produce flowers in summer, which will eventually turn into seed capsules. Allow the capsules to fully mature and dry on the plants. Once they have dried, you can collect the seeds for future propagation. Remember, common cow wheat is a wildflower that can grow in a range of conditions, so it may adapt well to different environments. However, it is always best to provide the optimal conditions as mentioned above to increase the chances of successful growth.